Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on recovering recently deleted texts on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Messages app and tap Edit in the top left corner. Select Show Recently Deleted from the menu that appears. Select the message or message thread that you would like to recover, and then tap Recover in the bottom right corner. Tap Recover Messages from the pop-up that appears. Your text message or message thread will be recovered and reappear in your Messages app. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.